rejoice, the earth trembles, waiting for the arrival of the King. The heavens rejoice, and the earth trembles. We are waiting, for the arrival of the King.